Okay, in this final task, 4.3, you'll learn who's on your side in the AWS world. Support isn't one size fits all. It's tiered, scalable, and built for every business model. Basic support gives all customers documentation and access to the knowledge base. Developer support adds technical guidance for building and testing. Business support introduces 24/7 phone, chat, and email help. Enterprise on-ramp and enterprise support deliver concierge level service. Technical account managers, proactive monitoring, and architecture reviews. Beyond support tiers, you've got the AWS Partner Network, independent software vendors and system integrators who extend AWS capabilities with custom solutions. Then there's professional services and solutions architects, the experts who help you design, migrate, and scale infrastructure efficiently. The key here is know your crew. In AWS, the right partners turn complexity into advantage. Next up, finding the right information fast. AWS publishes a mountain of resources. Your skill is knowing which to use and when. White papers and official documentation give you authoritative, exam-ready answers. AWS blogs and prescriptive guidance show how real customers implement solutions. The Knowledge Center and Repos community connect you to experts solving similar issues, like a 24/7 technical floor where everyone's sharing tips. Trusted Advisor scans your account for cost, performance, and security improvements. It's your personal efficiency analyst. The AWS Health Dashboard and Health API keep you informed of outages or maintenance before they impact operations. And if you ever encounter abuse, the Trust and Safety team handles investigations and enforcement. Master these channels, and you never wait for answers. You find them. Okay, so picture the Wolf of Wall Street office rally. The roar of the team, phones ringing, confidence high. That's AWS support when it's running right. Each support plan is a team tier. Developer support are your rookie brokers. Business support, your steady performers. Enterprise support, your executive closers. The white papers and knowledge centers are your training manuals, the scripts that make the pitch bulletproof. Trusted Advisor and the Health Dashboard are your market analysts, always scanning the field and calling out risk before it hits. And your partners and professional services, they're your rainmakers, bringing in deals, integrating tools, and scaling your empire. Jordan Belfort's team didn't wait for the opportunity, they created it. In AWS, you do the same. With the right people, data, and support structure, your cloud operation doesn't just run, it performs like a high-energy training floor. All right, congratulations. You've just completed Domain 4, Billing, Pricing, and Support, the final domain of the AWS Cloud Practitioner journey. From deployment and operations to global infrastructure to automation and cost control, you've now mastered every moving piece of the cloud. You've learned to read the market, own the numbers, and play the game like a professional. In the Wolf of Wall Street spirit, this is your closing bell. You're not just surviving in AWS, you're leading, forecasting, and turning knowledge into value. Congratulations on reaching the finish line. If this training helped you level up, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And keep sharpening those cloud skills because the market never sleeps. See you next time.